In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock domains in GoDaddy. If you're preparing to transfer a domain or make changes that require the lock to be off, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect in a clear and safe way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Using the official site ensures you're in the right place and helps you avoid lookalike pages. Once the home page loads, sign in to your account. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt. After you're signed in, look to the top right of the page and click your account username to open your account menu. From that menu, select My Products. This is where GoDaddy lists everything you own under the account, including domains, hosting, and other services. In the Domains section of this page, find the option labeled Manage All and click it. That opens your domain portfolio, which is the central place to view and control settings for every domain on your account. In your portfolio, locate the domain you want to unlock. If you have many domains, you can use the search bar or filters to find it quickly. With the domain highlighted, look for the lock setting. By default, most domains are locked to protect them from unauthorized transfers. Click Lock to open its controls. When the lock panel appears, choose Turn Lock Off. This action tells GoDaddy you want to disable the transfer lock for that domain. You may see a brief explanation about what unlocking does, which is normal and simply confirms you're changing a security setting. To finalize your choice, click Continue. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental changes. After you click Continue, GoDaddy processes the update. The status may take a moment to refresh, so don't worry if you don't see it change instantly. Once the lock is off, you can proceed with the task that required unlocking, such as starting a transfer with another provider or completing a change that depends on the domain being unlocked. A quick note on best practices. Because an unlocked domain is easier to move, only keep it unlocked for as long as you need. When you've finished your task, it's a good idea to return later and re-enable the lock to restore that extra layer of protection. And that's it. You searched for GoDaddy, signed in, opened My Products, went to Manage All under Domains, selected Lock, turned the lock off, and confirmed with Continue. You're all set to move forward confidently.